Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the Nightlight or iComfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the display. Here let's scroll down and localize the option iComfort. So basically here we can turn it on and off just by tapping on this switcher, and we can simply tap on it to customize the iComfort mode. So basically we've got three different modes from which we can choose. So we've got this smart iComfort mode, which is more or less automatic one, and it will basically automatically adjust the screen. Here we've got also the personalized iComfort mode. Let me turn it on. So we can simply tap on it, and here we will have to go through the preference settings. So let's tap on OK. Here we will have to select the image which is best for us. So let's simply tap on Start, and as you can see we've got three different photos from which we can choose. So I believe that we have to choose the one which we like the most. So let's pretend this one. So just mark it and tap on Next. And again, I believe that maybe this one also. Mark it and Next. Here, this one again, tap on Next. And here we've got the preference. I like this one the most. Tap on Done. So here we've got our test results. So we prefer sharp, cold, natural tone. So here we've got before and after. Alright, so we can either restart it or apply it or turn it off completely. So let me tap on Apply. Your device will ask you if you want to do it, so just confirm it with OK, and it will be obviously set. Moreover, we've got the classic iComfort mode, so just tap on it, and as you can see, this one is not available in the color paper mode, which means that we have to turn off the paper mode, and we can do it in the NXTpaper zone. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got three different modes. We've got this one applied, so let's set the regular mode, because here we will be able to change the iComfort. So just mark it and confirm it with OK. Alright, we have to wait a second until it will be set. As you can see, we've got a lot of differences here in the colors, etc. So now we can go back to the display. Let's scroll down, enter the iComfort, and now finally I can show you the classic iComfort mode. So just tap on it. And here under this first section we've got more options to choose from. We've got the iComfort mode and a reading mode, which is totally different. As you can see, everything will be displayed in the black and white manner, and in the iComfort mode we've got the colors applied. However, they are a little bit affected by the yellowish shield which is applied, thanks to which we can filter the blue light and just give our eyes a little bit rest. So here we can also automatically schedule that. We can just tap on this switcher to turn it on, and as you can see, our device will remove the iComfort mode because we are not during the time in which the automatic schedule will be set. We have to simply tap on this option, and as you can see, we've got two different options again. So we can custom the schedule which was set, and that's why we do not have the iComfort mode applied, because we are not between the start and the end time. As you can see, it's 10 o'clock and 6 a.m. So after tapping on the turn on add, we can change the starting time, confirm it with OK, and turn off time. The same situation. It's up to you, or we can set it from sunset to sunrise, and this option is automatic. Your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. So now we can go back, and let me turn off the automatic schedule because I'd like to show you the differences in the customization. Here we've got this section with the adaptive tone and the color temperature and the saturation, which means that we can manually change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. And we've got also the color saturation right here. So by going to the left we can change the saturation. We can check it on this preview photo. Unfortunately we have to scroll and change the option and then scroll up to see the changes, which is not really that comfortable, but still you can set it like you want to. All right. So basically this is the whole customization of the iComfort mode, and if you wish to have much faster access to this option, we have to simply unroll the top bar, and here in this left section we should have the option connected with the iComfort mode. Let's swipe to check it, and as you can see here we've got the iComfort icon. So of course we can tap on it to turn it off right now, tap on it again to turn it on. Your device will ask you whether you really want to do it, so just tap on OK and it will be applied. If for some reason you do not have this iComfort icon here, no worries, just tap on this edit icon right here, scroll down, and as you can see here we've got this section with the additional tiles which are not added to this default section. So if you will find the iComfort here, just tap on it and hold it and then drag it to this first section to apply it, and then go back. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.